keep my hands on myself.
What's up, guys?
What's up?
It's David and Sylar again. Another off-snap adventure about to be in the making. I just picked Sylar from school, and we are about to go
Fishing.
We're about to go fishing at this spot that that Sylar and I fish all the time.
I gotta tell you, yee.
He got that from Yee Nation, so shout out to Yee Nation for that. The Island boys.
They're our friends.
Yeah, we're about to go fishing, and right when we get out there, we'll show you what we got. Actually, when we get to the back of the truck, we'll show you what we got. So right when we get out to the water, we can just start to fish. But any last words, Sy?
I hope you guys enjoyed the video because it's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, so this is what I'm using right here. I'm using actually a micro. He just threw a snowball at me. You guys couldn't see it, but all right. So, oh my gosh. All right, so I'm using a micro chatterbait, all white.
Yep.
And, all right, Sy, and what are you using?
I'm using a regular size chatterbait that's green.
Okay,
And,
perfect.
same thing
Oh, look
as-
at this. It's got a nice green swim bait on it too that I put on there. I think this is called like a power bait, and this was a Berkeley power bait too. I can't remember exactly what that name is, but this one thumps in the water a little bit. All right, you ready to go fishing?
Yep, let's go
All right,
fishing.
let's do it.
Got
Can you give
the
me a
fish
noggin?
lures. Oh, okay.
Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, I can feel it still.
The lake is actually still a little frozen. Look, that part's not frozen. As you can see, it transitions into being super solid. Probably not super solid, but frozen. All right, let's go fishing. Come on.
Ready, you guys?
Ready.
Blast them out.
And you just swim that all the way back. You just keep on reeling it in.
Look at that. Wow.
You're gonna let it sink a little bit?
Yep.
So you guys have probably seen this before go viral online. Someone skipping a rock down a frozen lake or on ice, frozen ice in general, and then it makes this crazy noise and it sounds like it's echoing, but it just sounds insane when the rock skips against it. We're gonna go ahead and do it just because
This is for you guys.
this is for you guys, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna try to find a rock. Let's find a rock. Right here. Perfect. Look how flat these ones are. This one's pretty huge and flat. Let's break it so we can get more pieces.
What about we just throw that one first? Oh.
All right, there you go. Solid. Get that one.
I got this, that.
All right, let's go. So look, hold it in your hand like this, and you're gonna throw it like that.
Like, I want to get a small piece.
Okay. Give me the big piece so we can hold it. Oh, here, there. Where's the big piece? Oh.
Oh, the big piece. Okay.
All right, throw it that way, side. Hold on. Oh, gosh.
Oh,
All right.
it's your turn, Dad.
All right, guys, listen, okay? You have to listen, guys. I'm going to do it. This is my rock. Check it out. You ready?
Oh!
Shh. How are they going to hear it? All right, let's do it again.
You guys?
Oh, I wish we had something heavier. Decent sized rocks right here, okay? So let's see if I can't achieve this noise again. Just listen hard, okay? Too far away? Here, try again. Listen hard. Poke the hole in it. Try to make that sound. Wasn't super loud, but hope you guys could hear it. I'll turn the volume all the way up when I make the video.
I'm gonna go see some ice. The ice is right here, but I'm gonna go over there and feel the ice. See some prints and some dogs. Right here, guys, is where the most ice is. I think, yeah, there's most ice over here. And this is where I'm gonna feel the ice. Feel the ice, but not feel like with my hands. But I'm gonna show you where we usually fish at. Then I want to show you. I'm going to touch the ice with this little stick, but I gotta be careful. Watch this, you guys.
So I hold on to this though. So I'm just gonna hold on to this rail. So you're gonna fall in.
Like, this is actually like real ice.
It's not fake ice.
Oh, I found a brick. I'm trying to swing it like this.
It got stuck right in it. Here, look, listen. Let's see if we can hear this one make that noise. Ready? You hear it? It made that noise. All right, come on. Let's roll. One more time.
Gonna fall in.
See? Play too much.
Oh, my feet can't go anyway.
Look at that aftermath. Look at you now. Look at you now.
My foot wet. My dad was right. Do not like put my foot in the water, and I knew I would do that, but it doesn't feel cold.
He gonna get a cold.
Might have had your fill, I can feel it still.
Let's go. Open up the trunk, throw everything in the trunk. We're going home.